Do you want to increase your English vocabulary? I'll show you an easy way to do that using prefixes. In this video, I will teach you 60 words that use the prefix RE to make words you may already know into brand new words. Learn these words with real example sentences that you can use in your own English conversations right away. Keep watching. What is a prefix? A prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. The prefix re means again or back. Re changes the meaning of the root word, most often to mean root word again. Redo means do again. Most of the definitions in this video come from our friends at oxfordlearnersdictionaries.com. Let's begin with verbs that use the prefix re. Readjust. People will have to readjust to going back to the office instead of working from home. Reapply. If you sweat a lot, you should reapply sunscreen every 45 minutes. Rearrange. Every few years, I like to rearrange my office. It feels new and fresh after I do this. Reboot. Most computer issues can be fixed if you just reboot your PC. Reborn. If you could be reborn as any animal, which animal would you be? Rebuild. I rebuilt my garage with the help of my friends. Recall.
I think I've seen this movie before, but I can't recall how it ends.
Reconnect. After the plumber installed the new pipes, he reconnected the water supply. Recharge.
My new phone can fully recharge in just 15 minutes.
Recreate. The artist recreates famous paintings with just an iPad. Recycle. Remember to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Redefine. The new contract redefines my duties and responsibilities. Redirect. The government has redirected money to support businesses affected by the state of emergency. Redouble. The team will have to redouble its efforts to get this project completed on schedule. Redraw. After the war, Europe looked very different. The map of Europe was completely redrawn. Re-elect. Justin Trudeau was just re-elected Prime Minister of Canada. Redo. I'm not happy with the images I made for this blog. I need to redo them. Refinance. Neil refinanced his mortgage to help pay off his credit card debt. Refill. At Mr. Donut, they refill your coffee for free. You can drink as much coffee as you want. Refocus. After 3 weeks of work with nothing to show, I decided to step back and refocus my efforts. Reformat.
After I reformatted my computer's hard drive, it was working like new again.
Refresh. I took a walk down to the beach to refresh myself. Regroup.
A trip to the mountain resort helped me regroup after a difficult few months.
Reheat. I always reheat pizza in a frying pan on the stove, not in the microwave. Reinterpret. I like the way the director has reinterpreted this classic story and made something original. Reintroduce. The government is planning to reintroduce bus service across the downtown core of the city. Reinvest. Smart investors reinvest the money they make on their original investments. Relearn. After the car accident, Terry had to relearn how to walk. Relive. Victims of assault often have to relive their experience when they testify in court. It can be difficult. Reload. An advantage to digital cameras is we never have to reload film. Remake. The 1990 film Total Recall, starring Arnold Schwarzenegger, was remade in 2012. Remix. After a band records a song, the producers will remix it in the studio and try to make it sound even better. Remodel. I plan to remodel my office this spring. Rename. The city wants to rename the streets downtown. Renew. I need to renew my driver's license every 4 years. Reorder. The restaurant needs to reorder paper coffee cups every week. Reorganize.
Every spring, I reorganize my closet. I have a lot of clothes.
Repaint. I want to repaint the spare room before we have guests this Christmas. Replant. The tree was replanted further away from the street. Replay. The police replayed the security video several times so they could get a clear idea of what happened. Resell. The store will buy your old clothes and then resell them for a profit. Reset. After I broke my leg, it took the doctor an hour to reset the bone. Restart. Most computer issues can be fixed if you just restart your PC. Restock. Town wildlife experts restock the local lakes with fish every spring. Resupply. Large cruise ships have to resupply several times on long trips. Retake. My teacher is giving me a chance to retake the test because I was ill last week. Reuse. I try to reuse old plastic containers so they don't go in the garbage. Revisit. I like your idea. Let's revisit it after we finish our current project. Revive. The flowers soon revived after giving them lots of water and placing them in the sun. Rewire. The electricians rewired the whole building. Rewrite. I have written many English blog posts. I often update and rewrite older posts to make them more helpful. Rework. The band is reworking some of their older songs for the new album. Nouns that use the prefix RE. Recall. The patient lost some recall after the head injury. Redefinition. The new contract was a redefinition of my role with the company. Re-education. The government set up a communist-style re-education center for children. Refill. Can I get a refill, please?
One refill coming up.
Remake. The remake of Total Recall in 2012 was okay, but I prefer the original. Remember that the noun recall is to remember something that has happened in the past. Rematch. As soon as the fight was over, the winner offered his opponent a rematch. He wants to prove that his win was not luck. Remix. I just heard a remix of my favorite song. It's good. Reprint. This novel has just had its 5th reprint. It's very popular. Rerun. Most networks show reruns during the summer. They don't make any new shows. Resale. Honda makes quality cars. They have a high resale value. Reunion. I met many old friends at my high school reunion. Adjectives that use the prefix RE. Reborn. The country has a reborn vision of social democracy. Reusable. I always bring reusable chopsticks to Japanese-style fast food restaurants. Be sure and check out the blog post that supports this video. This is a long list of words, so I made a PDF. You can download a copy for free at the blog post. Link in the description. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day.